Hello everyone, this is lesson number 5 and we will learn new words in this video. And let's start from the first word, shou biao. Oh, we need to read it like shou biao, because two certain in rows. This one will be second, shou biao, wristwatch. So shou, it's a hand, and biao, it's like a table, some represent something. It has a lot of translations. Table, form, watch. One of the, I think we need watch. So, skedoodle. Very, very variety of translation, but watch is a good one. So, hand watch, it's wristwatch. So, 手表. Let's see. I bought a new wristwatch yesterday. 我昨天买了一个新手表。我昨天，let's see, yesterday, 昨天，我昨天 yesterday 买了 you can see to buy, so 买了 is I bought 一个 it's one and classifier 一个新手表 one new pair of watch, just wristwatch. So 我昨天买了一个新手表。Next one, his wristwatch is very expensive. 他的手表很贵。他的手表 you can say 贵 it's expensive. 他的手表很贵。His wristwatch is very expensive. 很贵。Here is pretty simple. I put my wristwatch on the table. 我把手表放在桌子上。I put my wristwatch. 我把 you can say 把 it's particle for creating passive, but you can just translate it like I take. So you can say I take 我把手表 I take wristwatch and put it on the table. 放在桌子上。放 it's to put something. 在 work with 上 so on top of something. And 桌子 it's a table. 桌子. Or you can say I put my wristwatch on the table, or you can translate it I take my wristwatch and put it on the table. So both it's just grammar from HSK 3, HSK 2, so don't need to learn it now. 我把手表放在桌子上。Let's see next one. It's 报纸 no it's 报纸 it's newspaper. 报纸 报 it's some report, something we need to, you can say report, newspaper, paper, and 纸 it's just paper. So paper with some report about something, it's newspaper. Now let's see. I read the newspaper every morning. 我每天早上看报纸。我每天 I every day 早上 morning I every day morning, so I every morning 看read 报纸 newspaper. And next one, let's repeat. 我每天早上看报纸 every day. In morning, I read a newspaper. Next one. He gave me the newspaper. 他把报纸给了我。As you can see, we again meet this ba. It's on the left part of this character. You can see this key, it's hand. It's hand, and it's the same hand you can see here. Here, show, and it's also this on the left part. So it's something connected with hand, and of course, when we take something, we use hand. So 我把 I take 手表 watch and 放在桌子上 and put it on the table. Oh, sorry. 他把报纸给了我。So he take newspaper 报纸 and give me 给了我 So again, if we remove this 把 we need to say 他给了我报纸。But with 把 we can like reverse it, but it's a bit advanced. So 他把报纸给了我 he gave me a newspaper. Next one, there is today's newspaper on the table. There is today's okay. 桌子上有今天的报纸。桌子上 on the table 桌子上有 there is or have has 今天 today the 报纸 which belongs to today, so it's today's newspaper. 今天的报纸 so 桌子上有今天的报纸。Next one, it's 牛奶 it's a cow and 奶 it's a granny, milk, cream, breast. It's breast because milk from the breast to feed any animals or some children. And as you can see on the left part of the shelter, it's woman. On the right part, I think it's pregnant woman, or could be something else. 牛奶 I drank a cup of milk this morning. 我早上喝了一杯牛奶。我早上 at the morning I drink 我喝了一杯 you can see it's 1 cup of something. 一杯牛奶 1 cup of milk. So 我早上喝了一杯牛奶。I drank a cup of milk this morning. He doesn't. Next one. He doesn't like milk. He likes water. 他不喜欢牛奶，喜欢水。他不喜欢 he doesn't like 不喜欢牛奶 it's milk. And what he's like, it's 水喜欢水 you can see 水 it's water 水他不喜欢牛奶喜欢水 again you can say and in English, but in Chinese just separated by comma. The milk is in the fridge. 牛奶在冰箱里。What is 冰箱? It's refrigerator. Why? Because 冰 it's ice and 箱 it's a box. You can see on the left part. On the left part of this character, it's very similar to water, but it's only 2 dots. If I don't know, maybe. So when you see 2 dots on the left part, it's ice. Ice with this shui, you can see shui, also this one, water. Ice with shui, it's It's ice. because uh, it's ice. On the right part, it's xiang. On the top part, you can see this like ice. Maybe you can see it's bamboo. Because in old China, boxes was from bamboo. And on the right part, or on the lower part, it's just pronunciation. Xiang, xiang is it's very similar to 我想你,我想什么什么. I like, I want to 什么什么. But let's see. And 里 is inside. 牛奶在冰箱里. 牛奶 milk in the refrigerator. 冰箱在 and 里 create inside of something. Or you can translate 在 like is and 里 like in. It also could be 牛奶在冰箱里 because like in English, every sentence has to have at least one verb, and it's 在. It's like this, like is. But okay, 牛奶在冰箱里. And next word, it's 房间. 房间, it's room. 房, it's apartment. On the lower part, it's a pronunciation. This character, 房, you can see on the lower. On the top part, it's something with like roof, like apartment, like the place where you can live. And 钱, it's divide something. You can see room, apartment, suite, spacious, air conditioned. So something between. It's because on the top part, it's character man. It's a door, and inside it's a sun. So I think when sun go inside of door, it's because you're in some room, maybe. Or you can see sun out of this door. So, 房间 it's a room. My room is very clean. 我的房间很干净，干净。我的房间很干净。Here's word from HSK4. You don't need it for now. It's 干净 clean. My room 我的房间很干净 very clear. It's very clean. 干净. Next one. He lives in a small room. 他住在小房间里. He lives. 他住在. He lives at. 住 it's to live somewhere. 住. And 在 inside of something. You already know. 他住在小 small 小 you can see small 小房间 it's a room so li inside. Again 在 work with li. 他住在小房间里. Sometimes we can omit this li, but you cannot omit 在 because it's more important. So he lives in a small room. Next one, there are two beds in the room. 房间里有两张床. 房间里 inside of room. 房间里. Here is we don't need 在 because it's in the beginning of sentence. 房间里有 yeah to have to has or there is 两 it's two 两张 first one 张 it's classified for flat objects like a bed, like a table, like a piece of paper. 床 it's a bed. You can say bed. 床 before we have a word 起床 it's to wake up. 房间里有2张床。There is a 2 beds in the room. Of course, it's for flat objects, but sometimes bed maybe not too flat, maybe not be. It could different variety, but just maybe from old China, it always was flat. And next word is 丈夫. 丈夫 husband. 丈夫 always connected with man, husband, you can see. And 丈, it's also husband. So husband, of course it's husband. Her husband is very tall. 她的丈夫很高。她的丈夫很高。So her husband is very tall. 高 it's tall. First one, 高. My husband likes playing soccer. 我丈夫喜欢踢足球。踢足球。我丈夫 my husband 丈夫喜欢 to like something, to like to do what? 踢 it's to kick, and 足球 it's soccer. So of course it's, you can say play soccer, or because we need to kick ball, so it's kick. Soccer, football. 我丈夫喜欢踢足球. But I think there are some people from USA, so that's for you. 我丈夫喜欢踢足球. But of course, soccer is bad name. Football is better. He is my older sister's husband. 他是我姐姐的丈夫。他是我姐姐。Here is a new word. 姐姐，姐姐. It's older sister. You can see on the left part, it's woman, character woman. So it's something connected with woman. 他是我的姐姐的丈夫。So here is 他是我 he is my what? Older sister's husband. So this 丈夫 belongs to whom? Here is they represent. Belongs to 姐姐. Because if we switch 丈夫的姐姐, it will be husband's sister. But it's sister's husband. 他是我姐姐的丈夫。Next word. Oh, it's the first color, I think, for us. It's 红色. 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 It's a red color. 红 for red. And 色 for color. 红色. I have a red piece of clothing. 我有一件红色的衣服。I have I have 一件 what is 件? It's one piece. Classifier for clothes. 我有一件 one piece of 红色的 red one, and 衣服 it's clothing. 衣服. So as you can see, classifier goes before this adjective. 我有一件红色的衣服, not 我有红色一件的衣服. It's wrong. 我有 one red clothes. So 我有一件红色的衣服. He likes red cars. 他喜欢红色的车。他喜欢 he likes 红色的 red one, and 车 it's a car. 车 I think it's first time we can see this character. 车 car. It's pretty, you can remember it. It's pretty easy to remember. We will see it quite a lot of times in near future. 他喜欢红色的车。This apple is red. 这个苹果是红色的，是红色的。这个苹果 this apple, we know this apple. 苹果，苹果。Go also connected with some fruits. 这个苹果是 is 红色的。Because as you can see there in the end, it just for short version of 红色的 for example 红色的 thing 红色的东西 so it's just omitted for shortness because or otherwise we need to say 这个红色的苹果这个是红色的苹果 or 这个苹果是红色的 so just for grammar point. Next word it's 后边 back behind. Oh, it's behind, back, after something. For example, after if we talk about time, it's after. If we talk about place, it's after something or back of something. You can see. And bien it's just for side. After, later, when, then, so a lot of translations. Let's see. My house is behind the school. 我的家在学校后边。我的家 my house 我的家在学校 at school but at school what 后边 at in the behind is my house is behind the school 下一层学校 so you can see just a bit different from English 我的家 my home 在学校后边 at schools behind you can say school behind not so it's behind the school 我的家在学校后边 is behind the school or the school behind I don't think it's allowed to say the school behind but you get the idea not just need to remember not 我的家在后边学校在学校后边 it's schools behind he stands behind me 他站在我后边他站 it's to stand 站他站在我 at my 后边 behind so behind me 他站在我后边 he stands at my behind so behind me again not 在后边我后边在我 just 在我后边在你后边 but don't need to learn you just slowly acquire and later of course it will be memorized. There is a big tree behind 后边有一棵大树后边 behind there is 有一棵大树 let's see 一棵 it's one classifier for trees 棵 again on the right part of the character it's pronunciation I don't think so just look on the left part we can see this character looks like tree so it's easy to remember it's a classifier for trees 后边 and da it's big and shu a tree you can see also on the left part it's the same character as here it's just a picture of tree pictogram or picture 后边有一棵大树 behind there is behind so there is a big tree behind and the behind has a big tree 后边有一棵大树 next one 左边 it's left side as I said before 边 it's side Here's 左, it's left. 左. My book is on the left side of the table. 我的书在桌子左边。My 书，我的书，在桌子 at the table. At the table's what? 左边 left part. So at the left part of the table. 在桌子左边。Before it was 后边 behind the table, but here it's on the left. 我的书在桌子左边。The left side is his room. 左边是他的房间。左边 on the left part, on the left side is 他的his is his 房间 room. So 左边是他的房间。The left side is his room. He plays soccer on the left side. 他在左边踢足球。他在左边 at the left part, 在左边 on the left side, on the left part. 踢足球 plays soccer. He plays soccer on the left side. 他在左边踢足球。And I think it's last word for today. 中间 it's 中. It's between, among, and middle. 中 it's a center. 间 it's here's between. I think it's so in the center, between of something. Middle, among of something. Let's see. Middle, intermediate, center, intermediary, center. So neutral, among of something, halfway of something. I'm in the middle. My younger brother is on the right. 我在中间。我在中间。I'm in the middle.弟弟 it's younger brother. 弟弟在右边。I think it will be in next episode. 右边 it's right part. Before it was 左边 left. Here's 右边 right. But no need to learn it. 我在中间 I'm in the center. 弟弟在右边 My little brother on the right. There is a book in the middle of the table. 桌子中间有一本书。No, 有一本书。桌子中间 at the table. So you can see this together. 桌子中间有 There is a book. Table center. So in the middle of the table or at the table center, there is one book. 有一本书 because English translations it's built different. So there is a book in the middle of the table. In Chinese, at table's middle, so table's middle part, there is one book. 桌子中间有一本书。有一本书。Don't forget this classifier for books. 本。And last one, it's he's standing in the middle of the classroom. 他在教室中间站着。Classroom 教室教 it's to teach someone. 室 it's space. It's a room for something. Chamber. 站 it's to stay. To stand. 之 represent like present continuous. Like as you can see, just present continuous. 站着 it's like a long term. Just continuous. 他在教室 He's at the classroom 中间 center. So 站着 standing. So yeah, you can see here is 他 and here is verb, but in the middle every other parts. It's just Chinese grammar. 他在教室中间站着 He at the classroom center stands. Or he's standing in the middle of the classroom. 他在教室中间站着。And let's recap all words for today. First one, 手表 wristwatch 手表。Next one, 报纸 newspaper. 牛奶 milk. 房间 room. 丈夫 husband. 红色 red color. 后边 back behind something. 左边 as you can see it's just 0, so 边左边 and 中间 it's between, among, or middle. 中间 This is all words for today. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next episode.